How to install SolarBot. SolarBot is installed in 6 simple steps. Let's go. Step 1. Mount SolarBot in the dongle. Choose a mounting location alongside the inverter within a 30 cm radius of the bottom of the inverter. Ensure SolarBot is mounted upright, with the cables exiting the bottom of the device. Mount the supplied mounting plate to the wall using the 6 mm masonry plugs and self-tapping screws, or use the adhesive for smooth surfaces. Then attach SolarBot securely to the plate. Mount the dongle saddle beside the inverter, using either screws or adhesives, and secure the dongle with a provided cable tie. Step 2. Connecting SolarBot to the inverter. Plug the cable labeled inverter into SolarBot. Then plug the other end into the matching comms port on the inverter. Step 3. Connecting SolarBot to Wi-Fi. Once SolarBot is plugged in, a new Wi-Fi access point will be activated that you can connect to using a smartphone. Ask the resident to open their Wi-Fi settings and connect to SolarBot by Plentify. Once connected, a new browser will open. Please note that it may take up to 30 seconds for the window to appear. The resident will need to enter their Wi-Fi network name and password, then press connect. Wait 30 seconds. SolarBot will show a blue light while connecting to the Wi-Fi network. After entering the details, SolarBot's light will flash purple when it connects to the network. Step 4. Connecting the dongle. Now, connect the dongle to SolarBot using the cable labeled pass-through. Make sure the connection is secure and the cable is firmly in place. Step 5. Validation. First, register for the Plentify installer web app at plentify.io/installers. Click Register for Installer app. Fill out the form with your details and check your inbox for a confirmation email that you are registered. To validate your SolarBot installation, head to the Plentify installer web app at install.plentify.io and log in with your email address. Select Install a SolarBot. Enter the system details and submit the form. Now your installation will be validated. Step 6. Handover. Give the resident the supplied starter guide, which contains their SolarBot ID and instructions for them to access the Plentify app. Register their SolarBot and start enjoying SolarBot's intelligent features. Help the resident register on the Plentify app at my.plentify.io. Then they follow the on-screen instructions to personalize their system and finish activating SolarBot. Activation is complete once home energy flow and data can be viewed on the home screen. If you have any questions or feedback, email support@plentify.io.